Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can apply or get a loan on Credit Karma. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to begin with, first thing first, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in or paste in the link, that is www.creditkarma.com. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So there are some certain guidelines in order to apply for the loan. So once you type in the link, you'll be directed to its official site. Now on this interface, you can go through on how you can apply for a loan. And underneath, you'll be able to see all of these information in order to apply. Make sure that you figured out how much you can afford to borrow before you take a new debt. By setting up the budget, you can go through all of these information. And the step number 2 is you can check your credit as well. So before starting the application process for any kind of loan, it'd be a good idea to review your credit. So the link are provided right on this page. You can go through it and then expand the link as well. And move on to the step number 4, where you need to compare loan offers. You can compare the loan offer and select the loan that is benefiting you as well. And after that, once you've considered all of these information, then you need to apply for it. And in order to apply for it, there are instructions. You can go through it and apply for the loan. Likewise, the step number 2 is you need to close your personal loans. You can go through all of these information before you start with the procedure of loan. In this way, you can get a loan on Credit Karma. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.